What is up, guys? It's your boy Ted Gamer here, and today I have something special for my Android viewer users, the guys who use Android and play the game and wanna do a little bit of coding on it. And the part which is funny to me is that I explained quite a lot of times on how you can code on Android, but nobody even cares to go and watch that video. So I thought, why not upload a video doing coding on Android itself. So yeah, let's start it. So firstly, I will just try and replace a stance only. Okay, I will do this stance only. So to do that, first we need to go to the website netcheat. Don't mind about my Facebook, it was just on recovery, don't mind that. So for this I'll just go ahead and use Claudia Serfinus and his stance. So let it load. Don't mind my crappy internet, it's on work. I'm actually sitting right now, there's no electricity here, so I just thought, why not make a video while I wait. Come on, just load it, bruh. Come on. Come on. Bruh. There. So once you're here, you will see the standard 88400. Just use this. I'll just use select all, copy. Once you have copied that, just go into any text editor that you have. I'm using the NV or whatever it's called. I forgot its name. Just use that. Go into the file that you are. Yeah, reload. Okay, so this is the character that I was working on. Oh, okay. I don't want to reveal him yet, so I'm gonna just rename it to something else. Dash 7. That will give us a nice looking different name file ulus 10466 dot ini. So we have our file here. Just paste the animation inside here, paste it here, and just save it. For this I will be using Jin Kazama as my test character. You want to do is, at this point, once you have copied the animation and pasted it inside your file, you want to go ahead and to move finder, because that is the key for doing the coding on Android. Move finder is the key. So what you want to do is, for default stance, the value here is 8001, because that's the default stance. So 8001, that's our default stance. As you can see, default stance. So Jin there, click on the move. As you can see, 134 is the move. Once you are here, just look at here. Let me just zoom in. You can see this, it says 0 4 8 C10. Those are the keys here. Okay, so to do the calculator hex calculation, you can go ahead and use any online calculator available. Just go hex calculator. Okay, hex calculator. Once you're here, you can use any online calculator, and minus. So go to move finder. You wanna see is, use this, the first line. You wanna copy this only, this part only. As you can see, copy, go into the website and paste it here. It's here now. subtract it with 086 a 8800. Okay, now calculate. As you can see, here's our value here. You can just copy. Now you have gotten the value that you need. Create a name for your code. You want to write dash C0 so it's readable by the user. Then the first line is same as all the codes that I do on PC as PC. Okay, L space 0x E0, which means it's a condition. 1D 08C0. So again 0x 204078 E2.
मैं दवाई ले ली यार, मैं चक्कर आ रहा है।
अच्छा 1D. So for Jin, if I'm not mistaken, the ID was 090009, or maybe C. Let's just go with 9 for now and see what happens. So 0x 004078 B4. Okay, now the first line tells the game that if it's loaded. Second line tells the game that if it's Jin Kazama. Now in the third line we want to tell the game space 0x E0 1T. You can use programmer's calculator. For now I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use whatever means necessary. 801. So here's what we are doing. First thing you wanna do is make a condition of animation, that if at the end of 884000 there is 64. I'll just go on the top to explain what I mean. As you can see, it's 80 here. It's 884000 and the last two digits are 64. So we are checking for this. So 0088400. Now that's done. Now we want to write the another condition here. Let me just copy this because it's getting tiresome. Okay, there should be. Let me just save. God, I suck at Android using. I just paste this whole stuff here and edit it later on. Paste. Okay, so remove these. 8001. If its default stands okay, if it's default stands. Now what we're gonna do is write a line, and I'm going to use it 2 times only for this one. So dash L space 0x 604078 E0. So again 0x. For now I will just leave it empty. After this, write L for new line 0x 000 20001 0 x, only three zeros for this time. Okay, now copy the whole thing and just paste it here. Paste two times. For stance you only need to do this two times. So firstly we want to make the pointer for the animation in PPSSPP method. So what you want to do is go into the in your calculator, and this time you want to add, not subtract. You want to add in 88400, you want to add 88 lakh or a 8800,000, whatever you want to call it. 88, as you can see, 8800,000, and calculate now. As you can see, 9084000. Now that's done. Just add a zero from you can use add zero by yourself. So this sucks. Okay, this editor sucks. So that's done. And for, if I'm not mistaken, this dance has animation length of oh, here it should have grouped, but it does not. Okay, let's just reopen the file code. Okay, once you are here and you have copied the animation and done everything, you want to go ahead and add a sample pointer here, and it will give you all the necessary values inside the move that you need to add it. For now we want to focus on 24 here. Sorry, this line only. As you can see, it has 6b on it. You just want to write this in the empty area that you left in your stance. Okay, so 00006b. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and do the calculation for Jin's where is it, the value for Jin's stance that we did in the first few steps. Okay, you just want to go ahead and copy this, go into your hex calculator, subtract by 86a 8800. You can skip the 0 because that does not matter at all. Once you're done that, just copy the result. Now here you wanna go with a little bit knowledge about the hex. Okay, little bit knowledge of hex. What was it, the damn thing? What was the value? Let me just write it. It's 590 and 74. 590 74. Now in hex, if you add if you have 4 and add 8 in it, it will become C, which is 12. So C 590 74, and this time we want to add 24 in it. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 7 2 equals 9, so 98. Once we have done that, just save your code and you can go ahead and run your game now. Firstly, we want to see if our codes are here. As you can see, our both codes are here. Now it's gonna mess up with my recording, so I'm just gonna turn off the volume. Jin versus Paul Phoenix for safety measures. Now let's just save. Okay, my voice might be weird because I'm not using hand freeze. Okay, so activate both codes. As you can see, it's replaced. Jin now has Claudius Serafina's move stance. So that's it for this guide. If you want to look like go in deep knowledge about this coding, you might want to go ahead and watch my live streams on coding guides, and there are videos available. You might want to do that. The process is same for Android, just the for Android you don't have memory viewer inside PPSSPP, so you have to use the move finder. But on PC, if you're on PC, it's quite easy for you. You just want to go ahead and do the move finder. You don't want to use the move finder, you can just go ahead and use the uh, memory viewer. So for now, that's it. The electricity is back and I had to go back to work now. I have to go now. So see you again, guys. Bye.